Broadleaf Plantain, Plantango major. Today we have a very versatile weed. The broadleaf plantain weed offers incredible support, and after hearing of what it can offer, you will think twice before uprooting and tossing it aside. Maybe you have heard of the broadleaf plantain referred to from its other names, such as Whiteman's footprint, waybread, or greater plantain. Maybe when you first heard broadleaf plantain, you thought of the banana plantain. Though both edible, they are certainly unrelated. With banana out of mind, we can focus on this common, edible, incredible weed. The broadleaf plantain is an extremely resilient weed. You have probably seen it growing on the roadside or in manicured landscapes, like gardens, lawns, and pastures. Fairly, without knowing its benefits, people are often aggravated by this dominant weed. It seems no matter the lawnmower power, nor the weed whacking skills, this weed is barely affected and always returns. Perhaps what you will learn here will change your relationship with this tough weed. A perennial found in summer, the broadleaf plantain loves temperate regions and thrives in temperatures 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. In considerate places, you will find broadleaf plantain growing late spring through early fall. If surviving in colder conditions, you may see broadleaf plantain growing in a deep purple color. Where they do grow, they grow abundantly as they are wind-pollinated. Get to know the identifying characteristics of broadleaf plantain. The weed lays close to the ground with wide, oval, egg-shaped leaves having a wavy and rarely toothed outline margin. Looking at the leaves, you can see its parallel veins that meet to the stem where the thick stems meet at the base to the root system. The leaves form a circular arrangement with layered rosettes. The leaves will have a leathery feel with decreasing pliability as it matures. 8 to 15 weeks after germination, the weed sends up long, skinny green stalks that grow up to a foot tall. The stalks develop and house the seeds, marking the plant's reproductive stage and seeds through summer. Sometimes the stalk will gain small white flowers growing in the rosette of the stalk. Such a unique plant already. The tough leaves, roots, and seed production render its resiliency. The roots have a short taproot with branched-out fibrous roots. With this strength, no wonder this weed is difficult to remove. Broadleaf plantain originated in Eurasia, where the Puritans introduced the helpful plant to North America, becoming a popular plant in folk medicine, which is a collection of traditional healing practices shared through generations. The service of this weed spread because of its discovered healthful benefits. Broadleaf plantain is rich in minerals and vitamins. It is very nutritious and has loads of fiber. It also contains high levels of calcium. There are many biologically active compounds which further reinforce the nutrients broadleaf plantain offers. An impressive list of benefits. Broadleaf plantain is anti-inflammatory, an antioxidant, and antibacterial. A food for people and animals, every part of the broadleaf plantain is edible. The nutrition is great for the body, and this weed also offers healing capabilities for minor wounds like cuts, scratches, drawing out splinters, and most notable, for bug bites. All by simply chewing the leaf until it releases juices, then rubbing on the sting for a quick relief. The leaves are amazing and can be made as the poultice, a salve, or tea to reap the benefits. The leaves as a salve have been used to treat skin infectious diseases, working as a skin softener, relieves rashes, acne, even ringworms. The leaves brewed into a tea is great for respiratory issues, treating a cough, especially dry coughs, sore throat, and nasal congestion. It is also nice on digestive disorders. The leaves when young are soft and tender, making them great for salads, and the mature leaves being more tough can be cooked into stews and fried. The roots are great for respiratory issues in addition to the leaves. Broadleaf plantain contains chemicals that help decrease pain and swelling, decrease mucus, and open airways. The roots has also been used as a fever reducer and pain reliever. The root and seeds can help to combat cancer. The tiny seeds are labor-intensive to gather, but can be ground into a flour substitute for baked goods. The seeds contain psyllium, a soluble fiber, making the seeds great for treating digestive issues. It is also noted broadleaf plantain is good to enhance circulation and help with reproductive issues. Already it is obvious the broadleaf plantain is so much more than a pesky weed. The broadleaf plantain is also aid in primitive matters, great as tinder and with fibrous leaves, good for making twine and string. Beyond its healthful benefits, it is silly to get rid of this weed because simply having its companionship improves your soil quality too. Rooting in compacted soil, broadleaf plantain breaks up the dense soil, activating new life and growth. If you want to go find broadleaf plantain, then you must be aware of its wrong lookalikes and the differences of their characteristics to keep yourself safe. These to be aware of are Rugel's plantain and blackseed plantain. Though not harmful, they may provide aid differently. So remember broadleaf plantain's specific characteristics so you acquire what you set out for. As amazing as broadleaf plantain is, there are concerns to note. While broadleaf plantain is okay for children to use, it should be avoided while pregnant and breastfeeding. And people with heart disease, bowel obstruction, hypertension, and those about to have surgery should avoid using broadleaf plantain or consult a doctor. People with diabetes should consult their doctor as the seeds can lower blood pressure. Broadleaf plantain overall is a very safe plant to use and can help in a lot of different areas. Look around and you will run into broadleaf plantain, and if it is in your yard, consider harvesting it for consumption rather than disposing it year after year. Broadleaf plantain. Comment if you are surprised to find out how helpful this weed is. Like this video and subscribe for more plant knowledge.